Hey guys, we are back at Cartland Road, so I'm going to walk in and do an update on the refurb. It's well underway. Let me turn the camera around. Okay, so this is the hallway. The electrics are being done. I think the downstairs is mostly done. New light switches going in. We're using chrome sockets in the end. Oh, sorry, stainless steel ones. Okay, so living room floor is going to be replaced. Sockets have been moved up or are being moved up. The damp stains that was there, that was from the gutter. Gavin has, our contractor has restarted the repair work on the walls, and then he'll redecorate throughout. So that's the new kitchen. So this new kitchen. What we're going to do these doors. So we just discussed. It's always the same discussion. Do you sand it down, repaint it, or do you remove them and get new ones? Actually, I'll make a separate video for that because it's not that straightforward. Again, repair work, redecorate, new kitchen, or will be new kitchen. So we've leveled the floor because it was all wobbly, and for the kitchen or for the ground floor, if you're not going to use carpeting, which is generally good practice to level anyway, but we're going to put laminate on here, which means we're going to need to have very leveled floor. So the floor's been leveled, kitchen has been removed. Salim has fitted a new boiler, which is good. So now we're just waiting for the electrician to come back and finish off their bit here, so that then Gavin can fit the kitchen units along here as well. Decorating started. So bathroom, downstairs bathroom, it just looks like a completely different room. So rather than replacing the tiles, what we've done is remove all the old grout and regrouted it and resealed throughout. We're going to keep this shower unit because it actually works absolutely fine. It just needs a deep clean. We're going to put a new sink thing there. Look at that, that actually looks brand new. And then new lino on the floor. Make sure we've got to clean those extracted fans actually. And light switches. So this will be the new kitchen. Flooring, obviously we'll recarpet once everything's done. Okay, so the flooring's gone up. The electrician now has to continue and finish off the electrics up here, which is doing a full rewire throughout. So the flooring's come off. But we're going to put new curtain posts throughout as well, and just remove all the blinds. And just make a good clean decision, because the blinds are okay, but some of them are not okay, and just the work involved in going around checking everything, replacing all the blinds, individual blinds, cleaning them, all that sort of stuff. It's just cheaper and quicker and a more efficient. It's a more efficient decision to just say, right, we'll just remove the blinds, put curtain posts up, and then we'll just use curtains throughout. We just have to protect our time. Final room, master bedroom, large room. These are the blinds I mean. So, they're okay. You can buy new ones and you can replace them, but it's going to be a faff because you have to remove all these, you have to count them, you have to order them, then you have to individually put them back up. And then you might find actually some of them probably aren't working. What's the point of that? If it's that important, tend to get themselves, but there's already curtain posts, or we will be putting curtain posts up, new curtain posts up. So it's a bit of overkill and it's unnecessary work. Sockets have been put up they've been raised, so they meet the new regs, and that's it, I think. Yeah, okay, I'll do a separate video for doors. And if you don't know me already, my name's Nguyen. We let to manage high quality HMOs and singlets in and around Birmingham. We also renovate. We also build property portfolios for landlords, for investor clients. And we also renovate them, let them manage them, all that sort of stuff. So completely hands off and turnkey. Oh, so what we've done is, it's another cost money saving exercise. So what we do is instead of getting all the rubbish and chucking out the front in the skip where everybody else will, chuck their rubbish in as well. And also sometimes you need a permit if the skip is not on property. We put all the rubbish into the garden, secure garden, our garden, and then we'll ask a company like Carl, for example, to come and just clear everything away. It's not necessarily cheaper, but it will save you a lot of time, it will save you a lot of headache. Sometimes it's actually cheaper. But regardless, again, it just makes just life a lot easier, more simple for you. All right, hopefully that's been helpful. See you.